Welcome to my home food channel. Today I'm going to share with you a remarkably delicious recipe of zucchini pancakes. Moreover, we'll show you a secret ingredients that will make taste of pancakes more impeccable. Zucchini pancakes are a more seasonable dish, thus all components might be at your kitchen. Grate zucchini using large holes of the cheese grater. The same repeat with the potato. Then mix both components in the large bowl. Place the mixture into the sieve to let juice drain. To accelerate the process, take a spoon and squeeze the juice. Removing moisture is important for the shaping of pancakes. Otherwise, we'll be forced to add more flour that can make them more solid. Meanwhile, take washed and dried fish and chop it. Mix all components together, including eggs, dill flour, and a spice like black pepper. Also, it is worth to say that you can make extra draining if you will see that a big amount of juice will appear again. Final step is to heat vegetable oil in a large skillet over the medium heat. Then drop a spoon of zucchini mixture, creating a round shape, and fry them until golden, around 2-3 minutes per side. Drain oil from the pancakes on the paper towel. Let them cool down and serve warm with sour cream or tomato sauce. Pancakes are ready. If you know other ingredient that could be added to zucchini pancakes, please write in a comment below the video. And if you like this recipe, press like and subscribe to my channel to be first who get to know about new updates. Thank you for watching me.